Welcome everyone to a brand new travel adventure. Today's journey takes us into the depths of Pennsylvania to Kinzua Bridge State Park, located in Mount Jewett near the border with New York State. This historic railroad line was destroyed in an unfortunate F1 tornado in 2003 and has never been rebuilt till this day. I wanted to travel to this location today to showcase the beauty of the fall foliage during this time of the year. The Allegheny National Forest encompasses this mountainous region, rich with minerals and wildlife. In this video, we will walk along the Kinzua Sky Walk, Creek Trail, as well as visit the wreckage from the aftermath of the treacherous 2003 tornado. We have made it to the Kinzua Bridge State Park. Upon arriving at the park, we were greeted with a beautifully constructed welcome center that features interactive exhibits, models of the railroad, and other unique elements. This has to be one of the most creative welcome centers I have visited in a long time.
Welcome to the land of innovation. I had steam locomotives, tons of coal, and one giant problem, the valley below. Too long to go around, too steep to travel down. But armed with ingenuity, we engineered the tallest and longest viaduct anyone had ever seen. Crossing Kinzua Creek here helped Pennsylvania prosper like never before.
Heavier trails, the slow speed, and maintenance costs, so pay attention. After decades of heavy use, the aging viaduct showed signs of wear. During a routine inspection in 2002, engineers found
I even looked at it this morning. See, when I told her that he was still on the phone, and then my hair stood on the back of my neck, you know why? Yeah. Because I got worse sleeps on the bridge, and it was just,
the Kinzua
I
and
assumed
its
it was but this is shocking, but they rebuilt it, so the pictures,
you could
oh
run
my
on the
God,
tracks
honestly,
once
it was
more.
I look how they kind of, I thought, this is so cool.
The coal company that owns the bridge is what somebody else tried it. I said, I have to let you.
After our walkthrough of the Welcome Center, my father and I decided to explore the wilderness and wreckage that still remains. But first, let's go and take a walk on the Kinzua Sky Walk. The viaduct carried raw materials, finished goods, and sightseers over the valley. For more than a century, this engineering marvel attracted awe and wonder. Alrighty everyone, I don't know if you could see this, but this is the Knox and Kane Rail Trail at Kinzua Sky Bridge. It's a really beautiful location here in Pennsylvania. Super excited to showcase this all to you today. A half-mile wide and 300 feet deep Kinzua Creek Valley stood in the way of commerce. The New York, Lake Erie, and Western Coal and Railroad needed to bring McKean County's resources to Buffalo's booming markets faster. Three choices loomed: detour 8 miles around the gorge, descend the steep grade in a slow zigzagging pattern, and then ascend to the other side, or, the boldest choice of them all, carry trains loaded with coal, oil, and lumber on rails across the sky. With time and money at stake, Thomas Kane convinced investors to open their pocketbooks. Dangling daredevils built the viaduct in just 94 days. How did they do it? From the bottom up. Masons built 110 stone piers to mark the viaduct footprint across the valley. Workers slid ready-made phoenix columns down troughs to the valley's floor. With parts assembled, iron workers started the climb. Workers on the ground used a 3-legged pulley device called a gin pole to lift the iron parts. While perched atop the tower, a skilled worker operated a wooden crane to help build the next tower. This process was repeated several times until the viaduct was eventually completed. As you can see, this overall railway was a beautifully constructed piece of engineering. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, here we go.
This is beautiful. Picture-taking platform. Oh, wow.
You can use these, you don't have to charge you for it.
That's nice.
I'm not sure.
Hello.
Hi.
This entire bridge was taken out by a F1 tornado. That's where we just were. Alrighty everyone, so we just walked along the Kinzua Creek Trail, which is right over here, and now we're heading down to the base where the F1 tornado destroyed the rest of the remaining railway. So let's go check it out. Alright, we made it to the bridge. So peaceful down here. Can't wait to launch a drone. And there's the damage from the tornado.
Thank you all for watching today's travel adventure, and stay tuned for our next journey through the wilderness.